How to create Payoneer account. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get right with this video. First of all, launch any kind of web browser on your device, either that's Safari or Chrome. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in www.payoneer.com. Once you type in the URL, press enter on the keyboard. Now you will land on the official interface of Payoneer account, where you can easily click Let's Go or Register button in order to create Payoneer account. Now you will get access to this kind of interface where you have to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs, whether that's freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacational rental host, or individual. Now again, you will get access to this interface where you have to select the best option that describes you the best. Now, click on Register button. Now, in order to sign up to the Payoneer account, you have to go through the four steps that is getting started, contact details, security details, and almost done. So the first query here it is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? If yes, click on yes, otherwise click the no button. When you scroll down, you have to fill in the fields in English characters only, that is your first name, last name, email address. Re-enter the email address and the date of birth. So let's enter it. Once you're done with entering all the information, click on the next button. Now enter all your credentials about your contact details, that is your street and the number, mobile number. Verification code will be sent to your mobile number and you have to enter here. After that, click on the next button and you will land on the other pages where you have to enter all your security details and then go to the last step and almost you will easily sign up into your Payoneer account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.